welcome to my YouTube channel. And it's been a long time that I shot a video and posted it on YouTube. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you can watch my intro video. I will put the link here or here something. When I shot my intro video, I thought I will be very consistent to my YouTube channel, but life always have other plans and I got very busy with so many things, and the most important thing was NEET PG counseling. And trust me, NEET PG counseling is way more complicated than actual NEET PG exam. So the story begins with me not satisfied with my exam result, or I would say my own performance. And I decided to go with another chance, but as I always say, life always have other plans. I was not even planning to go for counseling because my rank was not up to my expectations, and I was not sure if I will get any college or not. But then, being honest, I saw my friends, my batchmates, my seniors getting PG seats, and I felt left behind. And if you're also feeling left behind, this is okay. It is okay, it is normal, and it is a very obvious emotion in this competitive world. It would be unfair if I say that I dreamt of being an anatomist. No, I would say never. My favorite subject of all the 19 subjects was psychiatry, and I used to love studying psychiatry, and my most favorite posting of all the subjects during my internship was also psychiatry. I loved how every patient had a new story, and I loved to see them healing. And I also once was a psychiatry patient, and this interest got really serious. And I'm definitely gonna talk about it in my further videos. But there's a huge difference when you love something, when you want to study something, when you want to pursue something, than actually making it your profession. And it would also be unfair if I say I couldn't get it, that's why I compromised. Because no, I could get it. Not this time, but I could get it next time, or next time, or next to next time. I had chances, but this to settle with anatomy was my conscious decision. People get what they want. If they put their hard work into it, if they put their everything into it, they get it. It's just the matter of time. Before anything, I would like to say that these are my opinions, and I chose this because I have a story behind why I am not an ambitious doctor, and why I couldn't love medicine that much that I'm ready to give up my precious 20s. I am no one to influence anyone to settle somewhere they doesn't want to. I'm here just to convey my story and giving people a little courage to choose them over anything. I wasn't planning to go for counseling till the first counseling was over, and when I thought about it to go for branches other than clinical branches, I just thought, what would people say? I thought of what will I say when people will ask about my specialty just crossed my mind, and I realized this decision to go for clinical branches or high paying branches is an influence decision which is put into our minds by others, because and we are attracted to them because they are high paying and more respectable, and not because we love them as a subject or as a practice. But at what cost? I mean, I've done my internship, I've done my non-academic residency in obs and gynae and other departments as well, and what I gained was sleepless nights, stress, anxiety, and no time for myself. As a romantic and art oriented person who wants to do a lot of things in her life and explore so much in her life, I felt trapped, and I felt like I was living a life of a robot. I used to wake up and have my breakfast from canteens because I had no time to cook. Food from outside, work stress, and then eating sugars to compensate that stress. No time for workouts, hobbies, leisures. This was not a life I thought I would have. This was always in my head that something is not right here, but peer pressure, performance pressure always made me choose another chance over settling for something which was lesser in everyone's eye. I repeat, eyes of others. Very unpopular and controversial opinion that people choose medicine on the first place because of money and respect they get out of it. Not all, but most of us. Me as well. I chose medicine not because of money, because I'm not attracted to money that much, but respect, yes. I chose medicine because I craved for respect from my parents, from society. Are you realizing, or is it just me, that I chose my career to please others? Anyways, I will talk about it in another video some other day, but the point is, I realized what I wanted, that is, a clinical branch was not my want, and it will give me a life I would definitely not want. And before anything gets worse and I can't step back, I chose which was better for my health, my mind, and my soul. Now that finally I am an anatomy resident, I want to give you an update that life is better and I have a schedule now. I have time for my YouTube, I have time for my leisures, I have time for my studies, I have time for my cooking, I have time for so many things that I always wanted to explore. That's it for today's video, and it was the first episode of Deep Talks, and I will see you again on my next episode or some other video. Till then, take care. Bye. I promise I will try to be consistent this time. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel right now.